Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw money from a US bank to Standard Chartered in 2025. Whether you're an expat living abroad, managing international finances, or just sending money overseas, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. With updates in banking tech for 2025, things are even more efficient, but let's dive in. First off, why do this? With rising global transactions, transferring funds securely is key to avoiding fees and delays. Start by ensuring you have accounts at both your US bank, like Chase or Bank of America, and Standard Chartered. Double-check that your US account has sufficient funds and that Standard Chartered has your correct details for receiving money. Step 1. Log into your US bank account online or via their app. Look for the Transfers or International Wire section. You'll need to select the option for an outgoing international transfer. Make sure to choose SWIFT or a similar network, as it's the most reliable for cross-border moves in 2025. Next, gather the necessary information. You'll need the Standard Chartered account number, SWIFT code, recipient's name, and address. Pro tip: verify these details directly with your recipient to avoid any mix-ups. Once you have that, enter the amount you want to transfer and select your currency. Remember, exchange rates can fluctuate, so check them first to minimize losses. Now, for the fun part: initiate the transfer. Review all the details carefully, then confirm. Most banks will send a verification code to your phone or email for security. In 2025, many US banks have enhanced features like real-time tracking, so you can monitor the status easily. Be aware of potential fees. US banks might charge for outgoing wires, and Standard Chartered could have incoming fees, plus currency conversion costs. To save money, consider using services like Wise or Checking if your bank offers partnerships with Standard Chartered. Finally, once the transfer is complete, it usually takes 1 to 5 business days. Keep an eye on your Standard Chartered account for the funds. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw money from a US bank to Standard Chartered in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.